Remove the old hair system and wash the scalp. Shave the scalp. Mark the hairline. Create the template. Cut the hair system to match the template. Outline the template. Use a razor blade to cut it down. Trim the hair before applying the adhesive. Apply 2 or 3 coats of the adhesive. Apply the hair system onto the head. Roll back and press the hair system. Spray water onto the hair and comb it through. Trim and style the hair system. Voila! The fresh and new hair you have.